Hi, my name is Chris Salem. I'm a professional keynote speaker, business acceleration strategist, and a business executive coach with sustainable success coaching and consulting. I'm so excited that you're here and learning more about how to use speaking to grow your business. This is a program designed to help any sales professional or any business leader to help grow their business through the power of speaking. Now, whether if you've never spoke before, or maybe you speaking on certain cases, or maybe you've been doing it for quite some time, you're going to learn the ins and outs and how you can use it effectively to grow your business. You're going to learn how to land more opportunities at leading industry B2B, B2C events, how to get in front of more entrepreneurs and speak in front of corporations. You'll learn the process, how to go about doing this. And if you are new to speaking, you'll learn on some of the ways that you can get better at it, learn how to craft your signature talk, learning what your best delivery is. And this way you'll be able to really elevate your level of confidence to take your business, whether if you're in sales or you run a business, to the next level. This is a half-day workshop that applies to just about any industry. And we're going to go through the nuts and bolts from A to Z and how you could go about doing this. So if you are a group of realtors, financial planners, insurance agents, whether if you have a sales team or you're just a business in general that's looking to present better and close more deals, this is the place to be. So we hope that you like what you see here and you sign up for this program. And this program is available here at Elevate for virtual, for a half-day workshop that's virtual, but could also be done also in person. Hope to see you and connect soon.